Hello, hi, my dear students. Today we can learn 5-mark question from three-dimensional geometry. Okay, so the first question is here. Derive the equation of line in space passing through a point and parallel to vector, both in vector and Cartesian form. So this is a derivation. Okay, so in 5-mark section from this chapter you can expect derivations. That is, we have to derive equation of a line which is parallel to another vector both in vector form and in Cartesian form. So how you will start? First draw a figure, a rough sketch you draw. That is, you have to imagine that there is a line in space. So you can mark the coordinates with center O as X, Y, Z. Okay. Now, assume here is a line. This is a line L and there is another parallel line, that is vector B. This vector, 2 points you can note, A, P, and draw towards the center connecting. So OA you can mark it as A vector, OP you can mark it as R vector. Fine. So this is the line figure. So if these two lines are parallel or two vectors are parallel, this AP vector is parallel to B vector, right? So how you can write? AP is equal to lambda B vector, correct? If they are parallel to each other, you can write like this. Fine. Now, AP is what? This AP. Okay. This AP can be written as OP minus OA. Okay. OP minus OA equal to lambda into B vector. Now what is OP here? R vector. So substitute that here. R vector minus OA is what? We have assigned it as A into lambda B vector. Now R vector can be written as A vector plus lambda B vector. This is the vector form of equation of line. Clear? So vector equation solving is easy. From vector equation you can change to Cartesian form. How? Substitute R vector as xi plus yj plus zk. Okay. Then substitute R as this one. Then A also you assign. A vector can be substituted as x1i plus y1j plus z1k. Okay. Now, finally B. What you will assign? B vector you can assign it as ai plus bj plus ck. Fine. These three assignments you can put in this equation. This is the vector form. Now we are going to find what? Cartesian form. Okay. Fine. So R vector equal to, we got A vector plus lambda B vector. So give the substitutions like xi plus yj plus zk equal to A as what? x1i plus y1j plus z1k plus lambda into B as what we have given? ai plus bj plus ck. Fine. Okay. Now equate the coefficients of I, j and k. Here what is the coefficient of I? X. In this side x1 is there, right? x1. I coefficient. Here also there is an I coefficient. So you take both terms a lambda plus a lambda. Okay, similar way. J coefficient here what it is? Y. Here we have y1 plus. Here we have B lambda you take, okay? B into lambda. Similar way, K coefficient Z equal to this. Here we have Z1, here C and lambda plus C lambda. From each of terms, take lambda equal to terms. Here what is lambda equal to? This will move to this side, so x minus x1 into A will become by A. Then here from lambda you take y, this will move to this side, minus y1 by into b divided by b. Here, from here lambda equal to here z minus z1 by c. So equate all the lambdas, that is all are equal. So eliminate the lambda and write. How you can write? X minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c, which is the Cartesian form of equation of a line which is parallel to another vector. Clear? So we have derived both vector form and Cartesian form of the equation of line. Clear? So similar, one more problem we can do. Okay, so the next question. Here we have to derive the equation of plane in normal form, both in Cartesian and vector form. So here also we have to derive in both Cartesian and vector form. So first rough sketch you draw, that is in a x, y, z in a plane. So here there is a point in the plane. Let it be P, X, Y, Z. And from the center O you can connect to this point. Let it be a position vector R vector. And this, from this line a perpendicular you can draw N and connect this with N. And this ON distance, let it be D. Okay. So in a plane you assume it is as a plane. Okay. Now what you will do here, this NP, it is perpendicular to ON, right? This is ON. Here this NP is perpendicular to ON, correct? This is perpendicular, both are perpendicular to each other, like this perpendicular. So if two vectors are in perpendicular, you will take dot product as dot ON. It is equal to, you will take it as 0, right? Then what is the, if n cap, this is a unit vector, right? Unit vector. So n cap be the unit vector of this ON. Okay, unit vector. So how you will write? ON by mod ON. This is the unit vector form. First its vector by its mode, magnitude gives its unit vector n cap. Fine. So this ON, its magnitude is what? This distance you can write. So ON by magnitude you can write it as D. So ON vector can be written as how? D into n cap or n cap into D. Fine. So NP you can substitute as OP minus ON. Okay. Dot. ON you substitute as N into D. This we already got, right? So this you put in bracket equal to 0. Now OP is what? Position vector R vector. ON is what? ON is, again you can substitute this one, that is N cap into D dot N cap into D equal to 0. So this you take inside, that is R vector dot N cap into D minus this ND dot ND, okay, equal to 0. Now here R vector dot N cap into D minus this N and N you write it near, okay. Then D here dot you, sorry, not here dot, this just to make you know the value 1. Then D dot D, okay, equal to 0. Now this value will be 1, n dot, n into n, that is 1. It is unit vector, right? So 1 into 1, 1. So R vector dot n cap into D equal to, what remains? D dot D. This is minus, right? Minus, equal to 0. Now D is here common, you can take D outside. So what you will get? R dot n minus 1 D is there, right? Equal to 0. So this will go to that side, R vector dot n cap minus D equal to 0. This is the vector form of the equation. So we got vector form of the equation of the plane. Now we have to find Cartesian form. Okay. Okay, now for you have to find Cartesian form. We got r dot n cap minus d equal to 0 as vector form. That is r dot n cap equal to d you can write. R you can substitute as xi plus yj plus zk, correct? And n you can substitute as ai plus bj plus ck. Just substitute in this equation. So you will get what? Xi plus yj plus zk dot. So put bracket. This is n. ai plus bj plus ck equal to what? D. So take dot product. So ax, then b into I, by plus c into z, cz equal to d. So this will be the Cartesian form of the equation of plane. So clear, students? So in this section you can expect derivations, okay? Equation of a line, equation of a plane. So practice similar questions. So next class we will start with a new chapter, that is linear programming. Okay, till then bye.